My name is Minakshi from BSc Chemistry Honors 3rd year. Today our aim of experiment is to prepare sodium trioxalate of ferrite 3 ion. Material required for our experiment is ferric chloride, beaker, sodium hydroxide 4 gram, oxalic acid 4 gram, measuring cylinder, china dish, funnel, sand bath, watch glass, stirrer, sodium oxalate, wire rose, tripod stand, and water filter. Now we are taking 3.5 gram ferric chloride. We will add it to beaker. Now we will add 50 ml of distilled water using measuring cylinder and with continuous stirring. Now take another beaker and add 4 gram of sodium hydroxide to it, and then add 50 ml of distilled water to it using measuring cylinder with constant stirring. Now we will add NaOH solution in ferric chloride solution in small proportion with constant stirring using a glass rod. Here ferric chloride reacts with NaOH to give brown pipette of ferric hydroxide. Filter out the brown pipette of ferric hydroxide through the funnel and then wash the pipette with distilled water and transfer it to the watch glass. Now we will wash our precipitates with water. Now we will transfer our precipitates on the watch glass. Take another beaker and add 4 gram of oxalic acid to it. Now we will add 5.5 ml sodium oxalate to it, 100 ml of distilled water. Now in the solution we have added freshly prepared brown pipette of ferric chloride with constant stirring. If the precipitate does not dissolve, then warm it and leave the solution for some time. Now filter the solution. Insoluble impurities will left behind on the filter paper. We have kept the solution in the china dish over sand bath. Now we will heat the solution to reduce its volume to 1/2 of its original volume with constant stirring to avoid crust formation on the walls of china dish. As you can see, the solution is reduced to its 1/2 volume. Now we will take out the solution on the glass rod and blow the air from the mouth over it to check. A layer on the glass indicates the crystallization point has been reached. Now we have put the china dish in the tray containing cold water. Now we will allow it to stand for some time so that our green color crystals has formed. We have decanted the mother liquor in the beaker and washed the crystal 3-4 times with small amount of ethanol, and then we have placed the crystals on the filter paper to soak the solution and dry the crystals by gently pressing them in between the folds of a filter paper. Coat the crystals.